Good morning, it is I. I just woke up and I am ready to wash my hair. I slept in a oil pre-poo, it was coconut oil, and I am going to try a new post-shower routine in order to better moisturize my hair. I'm super excited about it, so let's go. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to wash and condition my hair, and after I step out of the shower, that's where my new method is going to come in. So my new method is I'm going to use leave-in conditioner, which I normally use, and then I'm going to use an oil. That's the new part. A lot of people in the curly hair community use this to kind of lock in the moisture in their hair after they wash it, and I don't have curly hair, I have straight hair. However, I am hoping that this will give me reduced frizz and also keep my hair feeling really soft throughout my days. So yes, wish me luck. Hee hee, so excited. Hello, I just got out of the shower and I'm going to dry my hair and do the after shower routine. Alright guys, so my hair is finally washed and have all of the product in. What I did was I used the Kinky Curly Knot today, and then I used some avocado oil and I put it in my hair. And so yes, now it's time to wait for it to dry. I'll see you soon when it dries. So I put clips in my hair to dry it so that it's not flat on the top. We'll see how it works. Hello. Just checking in. Okay, so my hair is about 85% dry now, and this is what it's looking like. I have so little frizz, so I'm super happy about that. My hair is looking a little bit stringy, probably because of the avocado oil, but the real test is when it's fully dry and I brush it out, so still excited. Hello! So my hair is finally completely dry after about 6 hours. And yeah, this is what it's looking like. I haven't touched it a whole lot. So it's looking a bit stringy because of the oil, but overall, I'm really liking how it feels. It feels very soft and there's no frizz at all, so those are the pros. I'm going to brush it out and then I'll come back to you. Hello you guys. So I just brushed through my hair. It's completely dry now and this is what it looks like. What do you guys think? I'm thinking that it looks a little bit stringy. Maybe avocado oil is not the best oil for me to use, or I should just use less of it. However, I'm obsessed with how soft my hair feels, and I also love how there's absolutely no frizz. Especially, I usually get like this triangle effect on my hair a little bit where it kind of frizzes out here. But I don't have that at all. And yes, I'm super impressed with the softness of my hair. I do have a little bit of flyaways on the top, but that's where I didn't concentrate the oils, and so that totally makes sense. So overall, yes, these are the results. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm pretty excited about this. I think I'll just try to use a little less oil next time. Let me know what you would like me to try next in the comments below, and if you'd like to, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!